This is the new 387 center console Sport, and this is kind of the family version of the center console. They also have a CCF, which is center console fish, and you'll see behind it, I believe, is the fishing version, which has the rod holders and the live well. But a lot of these options you can put on either one, but one's intended more of a family mission, and the other one is intended more as a fishing boat. So looking at the 387. This is the family version here. Okay, so you kind of get a rumble seat here that will fold out. Got a little garage storage area, and this has the Verado 600 horsepower V12s. So the neat thing about those, the bottoms articulate, the rest of the engines just fold up and down. Little plancha grill on the starboard side. The dive door that opens up, they get the ladder there. Aft facing, you have a little summer kitchen area. This one they have configured primarily as storage. And then this cushion comes out for seating, aft facing seating there. Forward here in the 387 CCS center console Sport, this one has the Raymarine displays. She also has the Mercury Skyhook, so you can park this boat. You can steer it sideways with the joystick. Nice bolstered seats here. And beautiful LEDs up above. Some electronics and JL audio there. Coming around on the starboard side, really nice integrated storage, forward lounging area. Get a nice cover for the windlass. And then I believe this is a high-low table here. Storage on port and starboard. And then you have this nice kind of chase lounge effect. I like the fold-down seat here. You know, you got the USBs, the LED cup holders, or that can be folded up. Pretty nice. So stepping into the guest accommodations. Here you have a little berth area. TV. And this has good headroom. I'm 6'4" and I've got easily 8 inches above me. Okay, here's the head. So guest head, this does have a shower wand here. I like it has a little fold down over the toilet so you can sit down there if you need extra space while you're showering. USB charger there for the phone, so you can have the phone to your stereo system. Keep it nice and dry if you're getting a little bouncy out there. Little mini galley, microwave, sink, cold storage.
So nobody else in there.
This is that garage area there.